Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a vlog slash cleanup with me. The house is a little bit of a disaster. Our room is really not too bad. I mean, yes, our bed is still on the ground, but she's a little messy. She needs to be cleaned up. This is just our room. There's some stuff on the ground over there. But I think that having you guys along to clean will make me a little bit more motivated to clean. Excuse the shakiness of the camera. But if you guys want to get motivated to clean, just keep on watching. Well, look at this mess you guys made already. Huh?
I can't see.
Did you make a mess? Look at his guilty face. Did you make a mess, Airly?
No.
Didn't we just clean? Aw, yeah, we just cleaned. Look at this mess already.
Yeah.
At least it's just in the hall.
Cheese.
Cheese, you say cheese?
I want.
Look, Grayson, look. Look at this, right here. No? Okay. Well then. Give me the snow. Oh, yep. She's a snowing. Can I help you, sir? You want to look at the snow? Mm-hmm. How cute they look. Just looking at the snow. What do you think about the snow, Daisy? Unimpressed.
What?
Just don't even care.
No.
What about you, Rolo? Do you want to go outside?
The car's not moving.
Is that a yes? Oh, you both want to go outside.
Can I go down?
What are you doing, Rolls? Rolo, what are you doing? Come on. Okay, watch out. Here comes Daisy. Watch out, girl. Oh, Grayson. Come on. Come on. Watch out. Here comes Rolo. What do you want? A snack or a candy?
Candy, please.
Where's their candy?
In here.
Show me.
Up there.
There's no candy up there. It's all gone now. The youth ate it. You know what? There's candy canes in that drawer. No, the top one. Way out on the side with all this stuff over there. Your suckers too, Grandma gave you. Will you share with your brother?
Sure.
Did you hear sucker, Grayson? Sucker.
I want the snowman one, please.
The snowman one? Great. Sister's gonna have snowman. Do you want a stocking or a bell?
Wow.
A bell? Okay.
Wow. Wow.
Bell. There you go.
Snowman. Wow. Wow.
Woohoo! Suckers! There you go.
Hello.
You're welcome. Yeah. What are you doing, Grayson? Just look at how he's sitting with his lollipop. Look at him.
Snowman like my lollipop.
Maybe.
Can I go outside?
You have to finish eating your lollipop first.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese with your lollipops. Oh, these kids. Love it when my kids run in my room. Grayson, no, 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 no. No lollipops on Mommy's bed. Off Mommy's bed. Thank you. We'll just close that. It's fine. I feel like I need to have this like way out. There we go. All the kids is snow stuff to play in the snow. You may be asking why we have a cloth right here. That, yeah. So Airly can't see the TV when she's in bed because her room is like right there. That side? No, that side. She likes to kind of sneak and watch TV from her room. Hey, Twix! And Rolo just wants to go outside. Why are you so excited to go outside? Is it because it's snowing? Oh, I locked it. Every time. Hey? Are you hiding? What are you guys doing? Rolla, you just stand out there doing nothing. Garbage! What is that? Airly, please don't play with the stick. Put it in the garbage. What are you doing? Grayson, yucky! Show off your snow stuff. Ready to go play in the snow? Go to our messy back deck. No, you need your snow stuff. You watching your sister, Grayson? Your sister eating snow? Airly's just sitting out here eating snow. Watch out, Grayson. What are you doing?
That snow is good for my mouth.
The snow is good for your mouth?
No.
Nice.
No.
All right, you guys, we have already lost Rollo in the snow, so we're gonna go find him. Daisy is accompanying me. He likes to do this if we leave him outside for more than like 2 minutes, so wish us luck. And I have found him. Coming from way over there. Come on, Stinker, let's go. If you hear that banging, that is my sister-in-law's dog at his parents' house up in the house, so that's great. But we have found Rollo, so that's all that matters. It doesn't look like he's rolled in anything. Sometimes he likes to do that as well. Hey, Rolls. Did you roll in anything? Did you roll? Sit, hey, sit. Good boy, I think you look good. Let's see your outfit. Cutie. You wanna see? Here you go. Now. Look. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, look at you. Look right here. All right. Dogs in the laundry room. And we are going grocery shopping. Let's go, kids. That's cold. Don't touch. Airly, we're going to our car, babe. This way. We're going this way. To the car. Grayson, come on, baby. There's a bus. Don't touch, Airly. Your hands are gonna get cold. Where's your daddy, hey? Kidlings. There's daddy. He doesn't want to be on camera. He's a little shy. Our car is frozen and full of snow. Hey? Yeah. So, I tried. I'm a little red because it's cold. Matt is getting
Hurry back. We're gonna use that broom Dad used.
Oh. It's gonna go get a broom. So, that's great. This is really hard to hold this camera up when it's like in a car. But as you can see, we're like pretty snowy right now. So Matt's gonna go get a room so then we can go. Because, you know, we've been doing this for like 30 minutes almost, just trying to get the kids in the car. Then I'm ready to get out and take all the snow, and I'm like so cold. I only have a sweater on. I didn't really think this through.
Mama,
Yes, Grayson?
guys.
Look. Say hi. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Are you gonna watch the video after Mommy's done editing it? Yeah. Get your hands out of your mouth. Your hands are probably so cold. But anyways, get back to you later. I'm filming him, guys, and he hates every minute of it. But get yourselves a husband who can clean off a car in the cold when you're freezing. Someone falling asleep? Why you look so upset? You don't know. Oh, wow, that's a good look. What are you doing? Gotta stay awake, okay? Look at what? McDonald's? Hi, McDonald's.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. It's not even dinner time. I don't have any more snacks in here. You already had a snack.
I know I want to have a snack at home.
At home. Do you want to have a snack at home, babe? At home, she said. We're gonna have, oh, we were taking the chicken out.
Guess we just have to get food out.
No. Silly. We got pad thai. What did we say we were gonna have tomorrow? I'm just trying to think of like not thinking about people that are beside us. Well, I hold this. But this is actually so much nicer. Getting a new tripod. It's great. Makes the world so much easier. Like, look at that. Look at that picture, babe. Yep.
Are we going?
No, we're gonna go to the dollar store.
Is there any toys?
Maybe there's toys. Do you like toys?
Had a kick. Had a kick. Chicken man.
Oh, you're such a cutie. We're home. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Good girl. Go pee. It's so dark. All right, guys. It is dark. 1 second. Let me turn the light on. Ah, light. We are finally home. It's been a while since we vlogged. So sorry about it. And I'm like looking real ratchet. But we ate at McDonald's for dinner because the kids were so grumpy. But I'm going to be giving the kids a bath. So this is going to be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.